10 Keyboards with Backlit Keycaps, Stylish Illumination. Title: 10 Keyboards with Backlit Keycaps, Stylish Illumination. Introduction. In today's technology-driven world, keyboards have become an essential tool for many of us. Whether you're a professional typist, a gamer, or simply someone who spends hours on the computer, having a high-quality keyboard can significantly enhance your typing experience. One feature that has gained popularity among users is backlighting, particularly with backlit keycaps. Not only do backlit keycaps make it easier to navigate in low light settings, but they also add a touch of style and sophistication to your workstation. In this article, we will explore 10 keyboards with backlit keycaps that provide both functionality and aesthetic appeal. 1. Logitech G915. Logitech G915 is a wireless mechanical keyboard that comes with low-profile keycaps and customizable RGB backlit lighting. With its slim design and brushed aluminum construction, the G915 combines ST and durability. The backlighting can be customized with various lighting effects, allowing you to personalize the keyboard according to your preference. 2. Razer Black Widow Elite. The Razer Black Widow Elite is another mechanical keyboard renowned for its backlit keycaps. With Razer Chroma RGB lighting, each key can be individually customized to create elaborate lighting pattern. Additionally, the Black Widow Elite offers ergonomic wrist support and programmable keys, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. 3. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT is a full-sized mechanical keyboard that features per-key RGB backlighting. Its durable design, along with its dedicated multimedia controls and programmable macro key, makes it an excellent option for both gaming and productivity. The K95 RGB Platinum XT also offers integration with the Elgato Stream Deck software, adding another layer of customization for content creators. 4. Ducky 1-2 Mini. For those looking for a compact keyboard, the Ducky 1-2 Mini is a highly regarded choice. This 60% mechanical keyboard offers customizable RGB lighting and double-shot PBT keycaps. Although it lacks dedicated arrow keys, its small form factor and reliable Cherry MX switches make it a favorite among gaming enthusiasts. 5. SteelSeries Apex Pro. Featuring omnipoint adjustable mechanical switches, the SteelSeries Apex Pro allows for customizable actuation points, catering to individual preferences. Its individually backlit keys offer millions of color options, making the keyboard visually appealing. The Apex Pro's sleek design and integrated old smart display add a touch of elegance to any setup. 6. HyperX Alloy Origins. The HyperX Alloy Origins is a full-sized mechanical keyboard with customizable RGB lighting and HyperX red switches. It features exposed keycaps for a minimalist look and offers comfortable typing in. Excellent gaming performance. The Alloy Origins' durable aluminum frame and detachable USB-C cable ensure long-lasting durability. 7. Keychron K6. The Keychron K6 is a wireless mechanical keyboard with hot-swappable keycaps, allowing for easy customization. With its unique backlighting options and sleek design, the K6 offers a blend of style and functionality. Its compact layout includes dedicated arrow keys, making it suitable for both work and play. 8. And Pro 2. If you're seeking a highly customizable compact keyboard, the N Pro 2 is worth considering. This wireless mechanical keyboard supports RGB lighting and offers a variety of keycap options, including G double-shot PBT and shining through keycaps. The N Pro 2's Bluetooth connectivity and software customization make it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking portability. 9. Durgod Fusion. With its vibrant RGB backlit keycaps, the Durgod Fusion combines aesthetics and functionality seamlessly. This 10-keyless keyboard features a sturdy build, Cherry MX switches, and programmable macro keys. The Fusion's sleek design, detachable USB-C cable, and myriad lighting options make it an appealing option for gamers and professionals alike. 10. Vortex Poker. The Vortex Poker is a compact mechanical keyboard known for its minimalist design and robust build quality. While it lacks backlighting, it includes programmable layers and supports fully customizable keycaps. The Poker's reliable Cherry MX switches and minimalistic aesthetic make it a popular choice among typing enthusiasts. 11. Razer Huntsman Elite. The Razer Huntsman Elite is a premium mechanical keyboard that features Razer Chroma RGB backlighting. Each keycap is equipped with a stabilizer bar for improved typing stability and consistency. With its customizable lighting effects and dedicated media keys, the Huntsman Elite delivers a high-performance typing experience. 12. Logitech G213 Prodigy. If you're looking for an affordable option that still offers backlit keycaps, the Logitech G213 Prodigy is worth considering. This membrane keyboard comes with customizable RGB lighting and spill-resistant design, making it ideal for everyday use. The G213 Prodigy also features dedicated media controls and adjustable feet for comfortable typing. 13. HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is a compact mechanical keyboard designed specifically for gamers. It offers customizable red backlighting with a minimalist design, giving it a sleek and professional look. With its reliable Cherry MX switches and compact size, the Alloy FPS Pro is perfect for gamers who prefer a 10-keyless layout. 14. SteelSeries Apex 5. The SteelSeries Apex 5 is a hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard that combines the tactile feel of mechanical switches with the durability of silicone dome switches. It features customizable RGB lighting and a dedicated OLED smart display for quick access to settings. The Apex 5 also comes with a magnetic wrist rest for added comfort during long gaming sessions. 15. Corsair K70 RGB MK.2. The Corsair K70 RGB MK.2 is a full-sized mechanical keyboard with per-key RGB backlighting. It offers a range of Cherry MX switches to suit different typing preferences and comes with dedicated multi-media controls for convenient access. The K70 RGB MK.2's aluminum frame and detachable wrist rest provide a premium typing experience. 16. Ducky Shine 7. Known for its build quality and customizable features, the Ducky Shine 7 is a highly regarded mechanical keyboard. It boasts a full aluminum frame, customizable RGB lighting, and USB Type-C connective. The Ducky Shine 7 also offers various keycap options, including double-shot PBT and laser-etched keycaps for added durability. 17. Keychron K4. The Keychron K4 is a wireless mechanical keyboard known for its versatile layout and compatibility with multiple devices. It offers customizable RGB lighting with a wide range of effects and features. Hot-swappable keycaps for easy customization. With its compact design and robust build quality, the K4 is suitable for both work and travel. 18. And Pro 2 RGB.